Let's start with the prompt. Which choice uses the data to complete the statement? And what is the statement? When magma moves under a volcano, it causes the surface to change. This is known as deformation. Researchers recently calculated the amount of deformation occurring each month for 5 volcanoes in Latin America. Although Sierra Negra experienced a lot of deformation, its deformation rate was still lower then. So Sierra Negra had a lot of deformation, but it's still lower than this red one here, Pacaya. So that's our answer here, B.